You know what? I'll just make that the break. That's the break. That was the break right there. Oh, is it the break? Is it done? Yeah, it was. How do you feel about Volvar 4 Dragon now that the meta has slowed down? I don't know. I don't know any of these Hearthstone answers, man. I'm just here to play silly deck. I'm just gonna adjust this damn light right now. I don't know why it's suddenly so bright to me. What if I leaned it this way? Is that just horribly unbright? I can live with this. Oh shit, it's day 9 in darkness. Look at that. Look at me. I'm a little... Oh. Ooh, let me actually see. What's the coloring look like that? Wow. There's only a little bit of stuff wrong with the green screen, like here. And up here, actually, on this hair, there's little hair divots here. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go. I like this. Yeah, maybe it was just the brightness of that light. Jesus, that's a bright-ass light, man. Oh, I gotta change that shit, dude. That's a no-go. Well, my camera is like so far to the side to cover up that dimming. Oh man, my head was killing me. Okay, so if it is a druid, I'm gonna go ahead and just beat him in. So this should be a really tough matchup. I'm gonna have to conjure it up right away. I'm happy that Heater doesn't have anything good to play. Oh my god, my eyes feel so much better. What have I been doing all these years with that bright-ass light? What? Oh my god. You're having lots of eye sensitivity and headaches. Could be eye strain. Could be.
You want it? I got it.
It's one of these two. I don't think it's polymorph bower. Could be a jeweled scarab.
Fools!
Do the stream with sunglasses? Oh, I should do that. That would be so cool. Spivot says, I feel like light sensitivity, headaches, and dizziness are the symptoms to literally every ailment ever. I've been eating pork. I just have sensitivity to light, and headaches, and dizziness. Dude, did any of you see that really grody post on our WTF the other day? Of the woman who ate raw pork for 10 years and like her entire body was filled with parasites. It was an x-ray of it. Oh, it made me shudder, dude. I was like, oh my god. I'm never eating pork ever again! Gee. So I can run out this sheep. Actually, I think I like the sheep. I like the sheep ping play like this. Because I can blow up this nerd, blow up this nerd, and then totally obtain all the presents of the board I would ever need. So that's why I want that. Yeah, it was gross. It's pretty gross. Anyone immediately Googled that? Mm-hmm. Jeez, that light was so bright. Maybe that's what's been ruining my whole life. I feel like I can see shit better, too. Everything's so much more clear.
I wonder.
Thank for reaffirming my choice to never use Reddit for anything ever, says New Sunshine. It's honestly a great choice. Reddit is deeply okay. It is it's fine. It's fine.
You want it?
That might be a good polymorph target, actually. This is a good one. Side of the face. Yeah, I mean, like, this side, this light is well positioned. It's this one that's a stinker, man. Alright, well, let's kill him.
I've got the beast in my sights.
What order am I doing this in? Do I shoot this one first? Like that? I think so.
I've got the beast in my sights.
Okay. Alright, there we are. Core Weapons is also eyes are more sensitive to different colors at different times of day. Try to get a lamp that isn't white/blue base and use a softer tone. It's a really good idea. I should totally do that. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and polymorph this next turn, man.
Noxus is on.
Let's get that flame strike. Great position to be in. I feel like this is the deck that just annihilates me. Is mid-range druid. No. I'll take 2. But I mean, we're more than likely dead. Like, if you ever Isu Blaku, you should totally hit for sure. Oh my god. Come on! Come on, me! Come on, me! Come on, come on, come on, me! Me. Force in nature, savage roar, bring my health to the floor. Top deck, antique heal. Rack. Okay, how are we gonna get out of this one? Someone said phrasing. I'm not sure what it is that I said. What is it that I said? Because now everyone's saying phrasing to me, and I'm really curious. I want to know what I said. And in fact, I want to know the specific phrasing of it as well. Oh, it's when I said, come on, me. Oh, intonation is really important there. Come on, me. It's very different from come on me.
Elune, guide my life.
I see the issue that creates. Let's go myself. It is I, the person who should come on. It's weirdly it's not getting better over time. I'm not really sure what that's about, but that's really sucks. We're dead. Well, there's only one thing we can say now. It's time for day 9 to eat, shoots, and leaves, or whatever. There's only one interpretation of that. Isn't it funny how eats, shoots, and leaves is such a paradox? You don't even know how to punctuate it. Take 2. Nothing but Thorson's in hand. Alright. Created by a Raven Idol. Oh, why are you running a Raven Idol in order to get that? You don't need to do that. Oh, he fucked up. Alright. Come on. Come on. Oh. Oh, this draw felt so good. I'm gonna concede. No. Oh. Dana, would you consider getting those gaming glasses that protect your eyes from eye fatigue from the monitor? Some people say they work and some people say BS. I originally thought it was like total bullshit, but as it turns out, it's like actually a very well-researched, well-documented phenomenon. To be fair, I didn't think it was bullshit for long. I said, is that bullshit? And then I looked it up, and it's actually like commonly used for pilots, which surprised me. The idea of wearing different colors, different colored tints under certain environments. It's really cool. Mobius Cat, man, I have to say I've tried MTG, but it just seems like too much of a resource investment. There are forms that are resource investment, but you know, pay 15 bucks to play in a draft, have entertainment for that whole night. It's great. Orange Nova says, with the light turned off, you have color in your face. Looks good. Really, you didn't like when it was just bright as hell? Welcome to my face, Galore. Greetings!
Hello.
Hello? 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 Yes. Oh, re-hi, Total Biscuit. How is it going, John? We're sitting here winning one game at a time. We're sitting in the dark. I think I don't sit in the dark enough. Very excited to be in a dark, 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 dark place. Physically, not literally, or emotionally, or interstitially, or retroactively, or retrospectively. I just want to be in a nice, quiet spot. Let's go, Hosa Gualdo. No! Ah! Is it a duplicado? Maybe I should just jam out a bunch of animated armors. That's pretty sick. That's actually pretty thick. Let's do it, man. Am I going to PAX South? Dude, I'm not traveling anymore at all. There's the angle. Oh, thank you, Link. There we go. Let's get that one in there. Let's get that one in there. Holy butts. Look at this. Yeah, let's just keep doing this. Let's just keep doing this. Let us keep doing this.
I must safeguard the land.
And now I get a shitload of them. Cattle Pleasurer, welcome. Welcome to the Day Nights. It's a pleasure to have someone of your skill set among us. Ah, I think I do want to spell first.
I got it.
That's a pretty damn good pickup. I think that's the pickup that I want. And then I'm going to animated armor and ping. You want it? I got it. Dude, it's sheepy time. This is getting sheeped up, dude. I hate this card. Because this card represents infinity damage. You know what I mean? Even a sheep represents infinity damage. The sheep's like, hello, with force of nature, savage roar, I'm just enough to win the game. And take that sheep down. Moragnic Malgolium. Welcome.
By the power of Ragnaros, I have the power!
Jeez, I think I do this.
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
And then I can kill this, and then play, like, a this and a that, or some such thing. I mean, I'm gonna give him two. Two little duders. Oh my goodness. Can I kill him? I want to kill this guy, like 5 sure. Well, I am feeling lucky. Alright, let's take him out! Ragnaros has been so good to us today. Dude, this new lighting placement is sensational. I can, like, see shit. I still feel like I'm in a man cave. Normally I feel like that I'm getting interrogated by the sun. I'll take 2.
A natural mistake.
He's a force of nature savage roar kill. Yes! Oh my god, my sheep's getting... Oh, this is the sickest value sheep! Oh! Oh my god, yes. Oh, a natural mistake. Oh god, I'm just realizing how much bright light I've had in my life, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's about to get spellbounded. Oh my god, remember this card. A natural mistake. Which was every once in a while the, it's gonna hit the dragon. Instead of, like, a natural mistake or greetings, he just said, and bingo was his name-o. I don't know why it's that specific phrase I want the druid to say, but that really just contrasts sharply enough with the druid that I want it, man. Oh my god, bingo was his name. If it was like, greetings, well played, thanks, sorry, oops, threaten, and then just bingo. It was like a 7. And you got to hear all of them say that. And bingo was his name-o. That's the paladin. That's the one paladin right there. Emotionally, I want to run out Ragnaros again, but if I lose to Force of Nature, Savage Roar, then I might have to commit Sudoku. Denunciator says, what kind of diet is helping you run this good? Good mood and great music. He's drawing deep. Watch this sick play. And he's... Oh no, I didn't call it. I just watched and I waited. Protein powder for breakfast, healthy lunch, healthy dinner, a lot of coffee. That's the diet. That's the diet. A lot of water, a lot of coffee. Meat and veggies, meat and veggies. Protein shake in the morning. That's how I do it. That's how I get it done. That's what I'm about. All up about this, that, and the other.
Where shall I strike?
Play one more. Oh! Whoa!
Death does not scare me.
Engaging TC-130 into this node.
Let's kill that 4-6. Well, you know. Can't win them all. Coldhammer 10. I know your love of card games. What's your opinion on poker? And how do you play? And do you play often? Well, you got me started, Coldhammer. I have played a absolute shitload of poker. So much poker. Oh my god. A bootload. Don't, no, and then not. Oh god. Oh god, he's gonna kill me. Oh my god. Oh.
Time waits for no one.
I lost. Oh my god. Oh, thank god I did it in that order. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh.
What to do? What to do?
I think this is the thing that I have to hope for, right? Because if I heal to 12 and I kill this
What
thing,
to do?
like we lose to another Force of Nature Savage Roar. So if I do this and I can get like a Frost Nova or something, I think this is right.
I got it.
Time runs out on me.
Fuck. Alright, let's get a taunt! Ah, shit! I probably should have played this one, but I panicked under the time. Kill the 4-4! Sucks. Sucks, man.
Well played.
I should have just run out the thing. I panicked, man. Panicked. Man, I hate Druid. I hate Druid. With Ragnaros, we had a very minute chance. I think an alternative play was to go hit, ping, heal thing. Double Rag would have won for you.
You asked for it.
Well, I guess when you put it that way. It would have been sick, though. I wasn't feeling it. I had a strong suspicion. I had an incredibly compelling sense. Nothing was going to happen.
I'll show them.
I wonder why he's running out of cool Taskmaster. Only someone who has Golden Druid can hate Druid. Well, you forget that in the early days of Hearthstone, I played almost exclusively Druid. What is going on? I don't want any bullshit going on, man. Day Sailor Moon? Are you kidding me, BTYM? Oh my god. Is this from today? Is this a today? No, my face is not that bright. Look at that. Holy shit. If you could send me that one in an email, that would be pretty tight, dude. I would like that shit very much. Holy shit, Day Sailor Moon. And it's like a reference to a reference. Day Sailor, from when I talked about bicycling at the end of one daily. And then you did that, and then someone said Sailor Moon, and you were like, okay, well, I guess Day Sailor Moon. And someone's gonna be like, what's the context to that? And then when they're gonna get the answer, they're gonna be like, oh, alright, but what's the context? Day Moon. I think it could be Day Moon. I'll take two, dude. Ship it, man. By the power, Ragnaros! I have the power! He's gonna kill my shitty one. I don't know what Aaron. Fritz. Dude, this last name Fritch? Way too many consonants, man. Well, let's go to infinity and beyond. Right here live on Day 9 TV. Look at that. Get low. By the power of the sludge. Oh my god, it's amazing. This is in response to BTYM. Sick reference, bro. These references are out of control. Everyone knows that. This movie was great, by the way. This is the end. I love that movie. Is there a limit to the number of Twitch emotes you can have? Why don't streamers have hundreds? I'm pretty sure there's a limit. Because, I mean, otherwise people should be running around with these ridiculous, terrible-ass hordes. I would have one for every letter in my typeface, right? It would be a flood of nonsense bullshit. Yeah, no, go ahead and hit it, man. I must choose! It's fucking shoot time, bitch. Boom! You got blown up! Let's get a 3-drop down to a 2-drop, you know what I'm saying? This one. Yes, that was so sick. Let's get some spells going.
Want it? I got it.
Echo, Ella. Oh my god, oh my god, you see that card is so sick. You can kill it, it's fine. It's not a big deal. It's not a sneeze. It's a sneeze, look at that. Look at this. Okay. Well, we have to be very careful not to burn a whole bunch of cards. So I'm gonna lose 2. So I do this, right?
Time runs out on me.
I'll show
I figured it out. Did you see me? I leaned forward. I channeled the power of this area of my mind. And what I came up with was, play the scientist last. I remember that card. Oh my god. I have a damn idea, my friends. This is a bold damn idea. It's a bold one. This is a bold idea. I think you know. I think you know. That Sneed's-Old Shredder
Let's negotiate.
my Sneed's-Old
You
Shredder.
proceed, and I'll let you live. A new acquisition.
It isn't. It is not my Sneed's-Old Shredder. Actually, we're just gonna win. Oh my god, it's a dork bomb. Watch this though. Watch this. Watch this sickening grief. This is gonna really blow you in. I'm finished my sentence. It's over now. Okay. No. 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 I figured it out. I figured out the way to do it. Watch this. Watch this. Let's get that Sneeds. Welcome to the party! Oh, that's alright. Let's get that one out. Alright. We're having fun. We're having fun. So much more fun than Secret Paladin. Secret Paladin is like Secret Badadin. Phrasing's so good tonight. Phrasing is really strong. We've had such classic hits as "Come on Me." This play is gonna blow you. Oh, charge forward! Oh, pound him in the face! All right, now normally I've been wanting to do Q&A. I mean, look at how nice this looks. This is the side that's dim. Like if I turn this, just a poke. Holy shit! This is what I used to do. Look, you can see, it's like right here. You could put solar panels and power a home. That's how bright this area is. And I have an increasing amount of acreage on my forehead. So normally we do story time. I'm gonna leave because I want to be on time for the play test. This deck was really fun.
It was so sick! Oh my god! You should try the grinder deck. It's conducive to boners. Yes! Oh, that last one where I almost got sneezed, that would have been boner inducing. We're done!